Hey guys, it's Sunday, October 3rd. Me and Caden just got out of the woods, but we weren't hunting today. We finally got a chance to move some cameras around from their summer locations kind of to mock scrapes, some escape routes, and buck bedding back along the river. But we put the cell cams more on buck bedding so we don't have to get back in there and check them. So got those all switched around. We did go hunting yesterday, went into some public, didn't see a whole lot. Had one deer like sneak back behind us, but other than that, pretty slow afternoon. I kind of expected it. It was rainy, kind of warm, so I'll keep you updated as we go through the fall. I may go hunting tomorrow if I can get off work, not sure yet, but we're excited. Got our cameras out on some active scrapes and stuff, because we haven't had pictures of very many bucks so far, but hopefully buck activity will pick up once they start thinking about cruising here about mid-October or so, towards the end of October. So just excited to get going. Excited to hopefully maybe have some time in the near future to get out in the woods more, but that's it for now. Okay guys, it is Wednesday, October 6th. I got a little bit of time today to come out after work, so I'm gonna head into a piece that I've never hunted before. Gonna walk in blind. I've looked at it on a map, so gonna just go get set up on the ground and hopefully see some deer, learn something new about a new area. So stay tuned. I don't know how much filming with the big camera will get done since I'm on the ground by myself, but we'll see here soon. It's Thursday, October 7th, heading out for an evening sit for a few hours. There's rain in the area, but hoping I don't get drenched tonight. Some of the thunderstorms are pretty heavy around us, but I'm not supposed to get hit too hard, so figured I'd try it. It's my last hunt this week. This weekend's youth season. Probably take out my brothers, but I won't be hunting for myself, just be filming, so might as well give it a shot tonight. We'll see how it goes. Well, I just sat down, it started thundering, lightning, and then it just opened up. It's dumping right now, so I'm gonna head to the truck, take shelter. I'll sit in the rain a little bit, but not when it's getting dangerous, so head to the truck. I thought I was gonna maybe come back out after the rain, but I'm gonna be absolutely soaked, so probably just pack up and head home. I sold that broken GoPro for $70.
Yeah, today we tried the hunt public ground, but the deer weren't really moving because, as Quinton said, it was hot, 87 degrees, with a slight breeze, but still that didn't keep away the mosquitoes. The mosquitoes were real bad, and yeah, it just wasn't a good day to really hunt. Yeah.
Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, October 13th. It is 4:50 right now. I'm getting ready to head down to the woods. Gonna go out with my girlfriend this morning and see if we can't shoot a doe or a buck. It's a pretty nice morning. It's 54 degrees. So a little cooler than what it has been, but we'll see what we can do. And we'll catch you in the woods. Okay, so we were running late this morning, so we didn't do an interview before the hunt, but we're gonna do a post hunt interview. This morning was the coolest morning so far in October. Had a lot of rain come through, big cold front. So we were pretty excited to go hang a couple stands on a pinch point near bedding. Normally we get a lot of cruising activity through there. This morning though, didn't see a thing. I think I've hunted 6 times, got rained out once, and have seen a deer for about 2 seconds so far this year. But we've got some deer on camera, more bucks showing up. So we're just gonna keep grinding, keep getting back out here, and eventually something will make something happen. So just got a lone wolf set up in a different tree for tonight, and we'll be back out and reposition a little bit because the wind's gonna shift midday. But hopefully we'll get on him soon.